In primetime news this evening, 38 years. Convicted gangster Tesha Miller handed long sentence. In or out, Damian Crawford responds to rumors he's quitting shadow cabinet because of Dr. Dayton Campbell's inclusion. Electricity savings, JPS's new plant to bring lower bills to consumers. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, there are two words to describe the feeling of some residents in St. Catherine: disappointed and disgruntled. And that's because the government has failed to fulfill some of the promises. And I'll have more on that in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen, who's at the sports desk with what's coming up in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, you know the old maxim: players win and the coaches lose. Well, another local Premier League coach has lost his job, that is, and we will tell you the full story later.
Thanks, Karen. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what is your view on the reintegration of Dr. Dayton Campbell in the shadow cabinet?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.